Hello dear ones, I am on the local train now, boarded from Thane railway station and heading towards Vashi to explore some amazing locations. It's roughly a 35-minute journey from Thane, and surprisingly the morning peak hours are not too crowded on this suburban railway line. I'm not sure if it is like this every day, but for now the journey feels quite relaxed. As I look out of the window, I can see patches of greenery surrounded by residential buildings. Now I am at Vashi railway station, one of the most spacious and modern railway stations in the Mumbai metropolitan region. So friends, I'm in Vashi now. I just got off the train at Vashi station and stepped out. Vashi station is so spacious, unlike many railway stations in the main city and its suburbs. Vashi is often called the gateway to Navi Mumbai or New Mumbai because it was one of the earliest and most developed nodes of the planned satellite city. Satellite city? Don't get confused. It's nothing related to any satellites. A satellite city is a smaller planned city that is developed near a large major city to help reduce congestion, overcrowding, and pressure on the main city. Okay. So unlike the crowded lanes of the main Mumbai city, this area was designed with broader streets, organized sectors, gardens and open spaces, giving it a more balanced and breathable atmosphere. The time now is 9:45 in the morning, and since today is working day, you can see people pouring out of the station and rushing toward their workplaces. Still, the rush here feels much lighter compared to many other city and suburban railway stations in Mumbai. So now we are heading to explore some of the most popular and scenic spots in Vashi, and our first destination is the beautiful Mini Seashore. Yes, Mini Seashore, or Vashi's own Juhu Chowpatty or Juhu Beach. Vashi's Juhu Beach. I don't know why this particular waterfront in Vashi is called Juhu Beach, the actual Juhu Beach in Mumbai, but this place is often compared to that. I haven't visited this particular Juhu Beach before, so I don't know. Anyway, let's go and find out why this place is called Juhu Beach, why this place in Vashi called Juhu Beach. Okay, let's go and find out. The greenery in Vashi still feels surprisingly well preserved despite the rapid urban development around it. A lot of the credit goes to the government agency CIDCO, established in 1970 to develop planned satellite towns around Mumbai. One thing that makes Vashi stand out from many other parts of Mumbai metropolitan region is its balance between urban development and open public spaces. Under the planned development vision of the City and Industrial Development Corporation of Maharashtra, commonly known as CIDCO, Vashi was designed with wider roads, organized residential sectors, public gardens, playgrounds and green open spaces spread throughout the area. Even around busy commercial areas and railway zones, pockets of greenery continue to soften the urban landscape here. Vashi is also known for its educational institutions, which have played an important role in shaping the area's identity over the years. This Mini Seashore is around 15 minutes walk from Vashi railway station. There are tuk-tuks, cabs and public transport available to reach the spot, but I prefer walking, not just to save money, but also to explore the areas along the way. And the roads here are nicely shaded with trees, so there is not too much pollution or heat, although the weather is still quite muggy. Here I can see the board Sagar Vihar, and this Sagar Vihar is very next to this Mini Seashore, so it goes straight. There's a very beautiful lands shaded with trees, so much greenery around. There is another education institute, one college here, Motilal Junjunwala College. Here we go. There are several education institutions, colleges in Vashi. Vashi is popular for its educational institutions. One thing that immediately stands out in Vashi is its spacious road network. Unlike many older city areas where narrow roads and constant traffic congestion are part of everyday life, Vashi feels far more open and organized. Many of the roads here are broad, well planned, and lined with trees, which makes traveling through the area feel smoother and less chaotic. Even during busy hours, traffic movement often feels more manageable compared to several crowded parts of Mumbai metropolitan region. Now the Mini Seashore or Vashi's Juhu Chowpatty is around the corner. I have to go this way, right, to 10 right. It's a very beautiful place, full of greenery around. So this is the way I think. And this particular road is called Father Errol Rosario Road, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation. This is the Rosario Road next to the Mini Seashore. CIDCO, City Industrial Development Corporation, has done a great job here. The areas around Vashi are well planned with resting areas, parks and gardens, and the road layout is very convenient. All of this has been done without harming the environment. That is amazing. You can see that the city was designed with proper planning in mind. There are wide roads, pedestrian-friendly footpaths, resting areas, parks, gardens, and plenty of open spaces that make the surroundings feel more breathable and less chaotic. See, there are several parks and gardens around. And the best thing here is the amount of greenery preserved here. Large trees line many of the roads, providing shade from the sun and helping reduce heat and pollution. Instead of endless concrete everywhere, there is a balance between urban development and nature. That is one of the reasons places like Vashi often feel cleaner, greener, and more relaxing than many crowded city areas. During the planning of Navi Mumbai, the focus was not limited to buildings and commercial growth alone. The agency also gave importance to preserving open spaces, greenery, and maintaining a healthier environmental balance within the city. It was now finally made to the Juhu Chowpatty, Vashi's Juhu Chowpatty. Can you see the board? So to climb the steps on. This is Juhu Chowpatty in Vashi. Let's explore this place. Wow, it's very beautiful, amazing. But it's not a beach like Juhu beach. It's a big waterfront here. This is not an actual beach like Juhu beach or Juhu Chowpatty, but a beautiful waterfront promenade here in Vashi that is popularly known as Juhu Chowpatty or Juhu beach. Vashi is on Juhu beach, but it's very beautiful, very scenic, no doubt. See the beauty of this amazing waterfront. Very beautiful. Wow. So scenic and beautiful place. Here you can see this resting areas here. And various refreshments are available at these stalls lining the promenade. You can see people sitting and relaxing. Oh my God, it's a very beautiful place. Wonderful. There are several refreshment stalls here lining the promenade. So many of them. One is out there. And the area is absolutely beautiful. It's a very beautiful location. There is another resting area here. And you can also find beautiful art installations along the promenade like this one. Amazing. The atmosphere feels calm, open and refreshing. You can feel the cool breeze here despite the warm temperature. This is the right place for morning walks, jogging, cycling, or simply sitting peacefully and enjoying the vibe. Unlike the crowded areas of Mumbai, this place has a quieter and more laid-back vibe, which makes it even more pleasant to spend time here. Surrounded by greenery, open skies and long walking paths, this waterfront offers a beautiful blend of nature and urban life. And now our next location is Sagar Vihar. This is just a few minutes walk from here. So let's go and explore. Okay. On the way, you can see the Sacred Heart Church, a beautiful church here. Plot 69, Sector 9A, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. This is Sacred Heart Church. Sacred Heart Church in Vashi. I've heard about this Sagar Vihar before, but I don't know what it is. Is it similar to this Mini Seashore or something different? We will have to go and find out. So let's go. There is one selfie point. I love Navi Mumbai. Beautiful. There is one Swami Ayyappa Chowk. Swami Ayyappa Chowk is a roundabout here. Swami Ayyappa Chowk. I'm really impressed by the green spaces here. So far, I haven't seen anything quite like this anywhere else in Mumbai or its suburbs. It's amazing, simply amazing place. Wow, so beautiful. See, there are several parks and green spaces everywhere. Isn't it amazing? So after 10 to 12 minutes walk from the Mini Seashore, I finally reached another popular location here, Sagar Vihar. So let's go and find out what is special here. Unfortunately, the gate is closed right now. It will reopen only at 5 p.m. and it's just 2 p.m. at the moment. So what do we do now? As you can see, the gate right in front of me is completely shut. Very bad. I don't think it makes sense to wait here for 3 hours just to get inside. So let's explore the surroundings instead. Now I'm heading to Sector 17. Sector 17, which is considered one of the main shopping hubs of Vashi and also one of its more upscale areas. So let's move on. On the way, I came across this traditional sugarcane juice machine. Very interesting. Even though the roads and lanes are shaded with trees, the afternoon heat is slowly starting to catch up now. Now I met to Sector 17 Vashi, Sector 17, which is known for its commercial shops and showrooms. Honestly, it feels similar to many other shopping areas and not exactly as high-end as I had heard. Maybe the location is more expensive compared to some other parts of Vashi. And one thing that immediately catches my attention is that a large number of shops here cater to electronic items and services. There are mobile repair shops, computer service centers, electronic accessory stores, and various small technical businesses spread across the market. And the name of this market complex is Vashi Plaza Commercial Premises. Okay, the rest of the shops are outside the gate. To be honest, the market feels quite similar to many other shopping areas. I didn't really experience the exclusive atmosphere that I had expected here. Though I wanted to visit a few more places here, it is becoming difficult in these heat wave conditions. The temperature right now is 37 degrees Celsius, but it feels more like 45. So that's why I set out early morning, 6 a.m. today. So let's head back to Vashi railway station and catch my train. Okay. I'll be getting off at Thane railway station, Thane, and if possible, we will explore the station premises there as well. So I'm at station, Vashi station. It's a very big and spacious station, the biggest station in Mumbai. It's not in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, not Mumbai. Vashi is in Navi Mumbai. 3:38. My train is at 3:38. My train has just left the station and my next train is at 4 p.m. So let's wait 10 minutes more. As my train is about to reach Thane railway station, a kind of dusty wind starts blowing, bringing the temperature down considerably. Maybe some pre-monsoon showers are about to hit the city. And this is the modern elevated bus terminal outside Thane railway station. One of the most interesting features here is the multi-level design, which gives the area a kind of double-decker transport layout. The upper level is mainly designed for buses and passengers, with a large covered roof that protects commuters from harsh sunlight and Mumbai's heavy monsoon rains. Meanwhile, vehicles like autos and private cars move through the lower level. This is the lower level below the elevated deck, helping distribute traffic more efficiently around the station area. This marketplace, located right next to the station, reflects the fast-moving energy of the city, with a constant flow of commuters, shoppers, street vendors and vehicles throughout the day. Now I am at Chowpatty, one of the most popular and iconic spots in Thane. Chowpatty, also known as Masunda Lake, is one of the most lively and well-known places in Thane. Located right in the middle of the city, this historic lake has long been a favorite gathering spot for both locals and visitors. And one of the main attractions here is this lakeside promenade, which becomes especially vibrant after sunset. The area fills with families, couples, children and food lovers enjoying the pleasant surroundings. Boating is a popular activity at the lake, but it's available only during specific timing. There are several horse carts here that take visitors around the lake, especially during the evenings, as the afternoons have been extremely hot these days. So that's all for now. I'm signing off. Please check out my video every Friday, 5:40 p.m. See you next week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.